Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx screwdriver. You will also need a clean cloth for dusting and a small container to keep screws safe during the process. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV25 from the mains. Safety is paramount, so ensure the device is completely powered off. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and lifting it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum cleaner. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Place these screws in your container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the base away from the main body. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it open if it feels stuck. With the base removed, you will now see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the area. A clean workspace is essential for a successful repair. If you find this task daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have expert advice at your fingertips. Next, locate the screws securing the motor in place. These are usually Torx screws, so switch to your Torx screwdriver. Carefully remove these screws and keep them in your container. Once the screws are out, gently lift the motor out of its housing. Be cautious of any wires connected to the motor. You may need to disconnect these by gently pulling the connectors apart. Now, take your new motor and align it with the housing. Reconnect any wires, ensuring they are securely attached. Once the motor is in place, replace the Torx screws to secure it. Make sure everything is tightened properly to avoid any issues later on. After securing the motor, it's time to reattach the base of the vacuum cleaner. Align it carefully and press it back into place. Replace the Phillips screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened adequately. If you find this process too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum repaired without any hassle. Finally, reattach the dust canister by sliding it back into position until you hear a click. Plug your Dyson SV25 back in and turn it on to test the new motor. Listen for any unusual sounds and ensure it's functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair, as we can assist you further. In summary, replacing the motor in your Dyson SV25 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can have your vacuum cleaner running like new again. Remember, if you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we are here to help with no calls, no travel, and a professional service at your convenience. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.